Hello family, welcome to my channel. Miss Dosha here. Today we are going to cook our African food bajia chicha. Kindly, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, like, comment and share it to your friends. Let's get into it. I will start by washing mchicha. Mchicha is a common vegetable in Giriama. Let me know in your village what is your common vegetable. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. So guys, I will then go ahead to prepare the mchicha. Whatever we are going to prepare today, you can cut the mchicha into sizes of your choice. Remember, this is Giriama land, coastal Kenya, Africa. I will then mix up unga wa ndengu with water. She will then continue adding unga wa ndengu bit by bit till it's thick enough. She will then go forward to add salt. Let's add the mchicha and mix it. You then have to be very careful for it not to be too much. The mixture is ready. I will then go ahead to place the pan on fire. This is coconut cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, I will then place the dough in portion. Cooking this on a 3-stone, you have to ensure you regulate the fire. Let me know in your village where you cook from. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. Remember, we are cooking bajia chicha. This is Giriama land, coastal Kenya, Africa. Straight away, mom will go ahead to grind the rice using the ilalwa. The rice flour is ready. In our village, we use rice flour for cooking warimbom, or rather we can also use to cook porridge. Let me know in your village what you do. Drop a sweet comment for you, girl. And today we are cooking rice porridge. Now that is getting thick, I will then add coconut milk instead of water. Let me know in your village if this is the same. This is sugar. The porridge is ready, though you can always add any flavor of your choice, e.g. iliki, cardamoms. The aroma is so amazing. I will then go forward to serve the food. And today in our home, this marks our dinner. Let me know in your village what time you eat such meal. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. Kindly, if you've not subscribed to my channel and yet to turn your notification bell on for you to be notified when a new video is up, please do so. Like, comment, and share it to your friends. Remember, at Miss Dosha's family, we always remind you to be your own kind of successful beauty. Peace.